In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Trello into a digital planner, effortlessly streamlining your tasks and organizing your week. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your web browser and head over to Trello's website at trello.com. Once there, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You can log in using your email address or, if you prefer, with your Google account. Both options work seamlessly, so choose according to your preference. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. Simply navigate to the boards section from the top menu. Here, you'll see all your existing boards, but don't worry if you haven't created one yet. It's time to build something new. Click on Create New Board. Now, a window will pop up, giving you the option to start with a template. This is a fantastic way to save time and utilize pre-existing structures. Next, click on Explore Templates, which will open up a vast array of template options to choose from. In the search bar, type in Weekly Planner and hit Enter. Among the search results, you'll see one called Weekly Planner. Select it by clicking on it. You'll then find the option to use template. Click on this to start customizing it to fit your needs. Give your new planner a name that's easy for you to remember. It could be something as simple as My Weekly Organizer. Choose a workspace, ensuring it's relevant to what you'll be planning. Clicking on Create finalizes this setup, and your new board is ready to go. Once you're inside, you'll see cards set up for each day of the week. Let's add our first task to the Monday card. Click on the blank card beneath it and enable the Hello Epics feature to help track larger projects within your planner. You'll then have the option to start a step-by-step guide. Feel free to watch the demo to get a better understanding of how Hello Epics integrates into your workflow. Connect Hello Epics to your Trello account by signing in and clicking Allow when prompted. For now, you can choose Maybe Later when asked about additional features. Now let's add some tasks. Click to rename the card to reflect its purpose. Then click on Checklist to start listing the task steps. Give your checklist a distinct name that matches the card. Once you've tailored the checklist, click Add to save it. Then start adding individual tasks to your checklist one by clicking Attach Parent to link each task to a specific heading like Monday to Do. After finalizing tasks, close the card when you're finished. Feel free to add as many cards as you'd like to accommodate your needs. As you complete each task, mark the card as complete and finally drag it to the done list. By following these steps, you'll have a robust digital planner to keep your tasks organized and your productivity on track. Happy planning!